Alright, I'm going to a car wash here at the Chevron gas station on Chaparral Road. This used to have a touch-free Mark VII a few years ago, and now it has a tunnel car wash. I think there are attendants at this location. So when I get up there, I'm going to have to hide it. I got the $12 car wash. Yeah, I think there's going to be an attendant up there. And a crew member will be okay. Please pull forward and a crew member will be happy to assist you. That's the old money machine they had when this had a Mark VII. Alright, I'm going to stop it here.
Neutral, foot off the brake, hand up to it.
Okay, thank you. Wow, that was really loud. Huh. Well, loud noises scare me. Wow. Oh, my bad. Oh, he's gonna wipe it down. I did not know that. Well, thank you all for watching, and that will be it.